Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Francis Leo Marcos, FFCI Worldwide, FFCI Cordillera Original. Thank you also for the donations, Jenny Montes, Jonah Orlandes, Norma Martin, George Luna, Flora Tomino, Fibia Buway, Latino Buway, Joseph Wandel, and Rebecca Batore for FFCI Cordillera Original, and to FFCI Italy Original, thank you Ma'am Lourdes Solomon, Rochi Ragay, Ma'am Edita Tugabe, Ma'am Luz Padasas, and Romeo Asper. And to FFCI President Kuwait, Ma'am Eden, thank you very much. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Malaking tulong po ito sa atin, lalo na sa ating gamot, at saka sa, especially, may dialyzer and EPO. Salamat po.